Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the app with your document open. Select the text you want to change by tapping and dragging or double tapping a word. Once selected, make sure you can see the formatting toolbar or the / format icon. That is where font size lives. If the toolbar is hidden, tap the screen once to reveal it. This first step gets you from reading to editing quickly, and it's necessary because the size control only appears when text is actively selected. Once the format controls are visible, tap the font size drop-down or the +/- buttons to make changes. This changes only the selected text. If the app lets you type a number, enter an exact point size like 14 or 18 for precision. Make sure to check whether you're editing a selection or the paragraph style. Changing the paragraph or heading style applies size to larger blocks. Once done, skim the page to confirm line breaks, and layout. After adjusting sizes, tap outside the selection to commit changes and review the document flow. Use undo if spacing or alignment broke. To change everything, you select all or modify the document's normal style so new text matches. If the size control is unresponsive, make sure the file isn't view-only, restart the app, or check for app updates. One key troubleshooting tip: save a copy and experiment there so you can revert quickly if formatting behaves unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.